Come on, darling. It's like the real thing.
Okay, who wants to play first?
Skylar.
Skylar. Right up there. All right.
You wanna fly first?
I don't want to
Jason?
be like that person.
Come on.
You'll be sick. Go, Yasmin. Go.
Come on, guys.
Go.
There's too much butt.
Jason, you come sit.
Jason, go over there.
Looks like the actual
Ooh. Okay,
Right.
so let me sit here, Jason.
Okay.
That's very cool.
So, Skylar, you been in one of these before? Have you flown a flight simulator before? No. Okay. Well, here you go. This is a $20 million flight simulator. So, do you remember the video? Were you watching the gate in San Francisco? Just where that HVA was, Pier Gate 82. So what we want to do now is we're going to push back and start the engine. So you're the captain. So see these little spots right here on the side? See that, Yasmin? Push the one that's vertical forward and it'll lead you up to the rudder pedals. Okay. The other, that's the horizontal. There you go. That one. Keep going all the way up there. And you can touch those rudder pedals. Put your feet on those rudder pedals. Other button, Yasmin. That one. Yeah. Push that one all the way forward. Then you can touch the rudder pedals. Yeah. There you go. Okay. Now use the up and down button that you had so you can see over the letters. Keep going all the way up. There we go. Okay.
So nice.
All right. So. Skylar, you steer this airplane with this engine, the steering wheel, left, right, okay? And you stop the airplane with the top of the rudder pedals, those are the brakes, so you can push on the top of them, those are the brakes, all right? Okay, so here we are at the gate. The flight attendant just closed the door and said the cabin's ready. And there's a guy down there with a tug tractor.
That's valid.
The tug tractor said, we're ready to push. So you have to push the airplane back before you go forward, right? So he's down there with the tug and he's going to push it back, okay? So Skylar, you're the captain, so release your parking brake. So pull that handle up and turn it vertically to the left. So there you go, okay. Parking brake release. And I'll hook up your tug for you. And then he would say, we're United 320 today, that's our call sign. He'd say United 320, clear to push from gate 82. So are you ready? Here we go. So here we go, we're going to push back. We don't get
Ooh.
to Let's do this.
Hold
Okay.
tight, you feel.
Hold tight,
We're getting a little
hold tight. You never know what's coming.
Okay.
Could be
That's like
careless.
the movie Airplane, right? Oh, don't remember the tunnel. Okay, now he'll say, clip to start engine. So if you watch the video that your dad and I watched, so you're going to start your engine by turning this switch to normal, and turn it to ignition start, right? So, yeah, turn it to ignition start to the right. Okay, and then lift up on this one and push it up. Lift it up and push it up. Yeah, the bridge is on. There we go. Okay, turn both up there. And then we will, oh here, hit this bleed switch right here. Turn that bleed switch on up there. Yeah, there you go. Then we'll start your engines.
Oh my goodness, this is so cool.
Okay. Your engines are now started. As soon as the tow driver gets done pushing you back, he'll stop the airplane and then he'll set your brakes. Okay, set brakes. So turn it to the right. Now pull it up and turn it to the right. And brakes are set. Okay. And in the other simulator, we have a really nice visual where the tow tractor drives away and the guy suits, you know, but this one's not that fancy. Okay, so now we're going to get rid of your tow tractor. And are you ready to taxi, Skylar? You're the captain. Okay. So we already talked about this is your gas pedal. So you push those up, you go a little faster. So when we taxi on the ground, we only use a little bit of power. So release your parking brake first, and then a little bit of power, and then your airplane will start moving. And so you're going to turn to the right. It's nighttime.
You want the daytime so we can see?
It's prettier at night here.
It's pretty good. Beautiful.
Okay, so now pull it back to idle. Pull it right back to idle again, and then start pushing on your right rudder pedal. Push on your right rudder pedal. There you go. Now follow that yellow line. Keep pushing on your right rudder pedal.
Where's the yellow line?
Turn right. Turn right.
Who's that?
There you go. Push on the top of the rudder pedals.
What's the top of the rudder pedals?
Push on that. Put your feet way up on the top. See these feet? Put them up on the top of the rudder. So here we go. Don't step on the brakes. Just step on the rudder pedals and steer going down the runway. Okay. Look at the far end of the runway and just stay on the middle of it. So push on the right rudder pedal. Push on this foot a little bit. Okay. Steer it. There you go. Okay, Yasmin, get ready to say rotate when you see 140, right?
This is a big runway.
Stay on the runway.
Rotate! Rotate!
Not yet, not yet. See 140, right?
Rotate. It's almost at
Now
160.
rotate. Just pull back on the stick. Pull back. Keep pulling back a little more. There you go.
Oh my god.
There you
Oh
go.
my god.
Okay, Yasmin, pull this out and put it up. Put the gear up. Pull
Okay,
it
what
out.
do I do with the
Pull it out
rudders?
first. And then push it up. Okay, you're flying.
We're flipping over.
All right.
My heart is going
my
so
God.
fast.
All right.
So
Good. Okay. How's he doing?
Bad.
Bad?
This is good. This
All right,
is
good.
the line.
Okay,
This is
now
the
what
line.
you want to do, Skylar, see that little black square? Put it in the intersection of those two green lines. So now it's a video game. Just push it forward and put that little black square right there. So you got to push it, turn green. It's now it's locked on to the glass slope. It's locked on to the lateral and vertical navigation. So all you have to do now, Skylar, is follow that. Okay, Yasmin, put the gear down. So pull that knob out, put it
Which
down.
one are we landing on?
The right, the one on the right. There's the gear, okay.
Flight attendants prepare for it.
There you go. You got it. Okay. And I'm not sure why this simulator's stuck on stupid because it's not slowing down. It should be slowing down, but it's not. Yeah, you're doing great. Okay,
That's the
yeah,
last
we go
runway.
flaps 1 here. Put the flaps out to 1.
Fica lá ainda, Scanner.
There you go, perfect. To 1, good. Okay, keep following that flight director. There you
Flight
go. Skylar.
slope.
Perfect. Stay right on that glide, on that flight director. Okay. All right, you're doing great.
Are you going right or left?
Just gonna land on the right runway. Doing great. Let me kill this wind. I got way too much wind in here.
Why are we like sideways?
Because I had a big crosswind for the guys who were in here before. It should go away here shortly. Okay, keep following your flight director. Come to the
Skylar
right.
is landing and
Say.
plane.
Uh-oh.
Remember,
We're
you're going
landing
right.
in the very day.
Okay,
Too low, terrain.
don't worry about that. Okay, just
Too low, terrain.
line up with that runway. And
Too low, terrain.
Okay. Now, Skylar, pull the thrust to idle right now, and pull up just a little.
40.
Right there. Okay. Try to get on the runway. Okay, good. Good. Excellent.
40,
Pull back a little
30,
bit. Pull
20,
back.
retard, 10.
Ooh, you're getting there. You're doing there. There you go. Good.
No, I'm going up. Break,
I'm just going to freeze you. Okay, good.
Good job!
Oh, that was great.
You're flying together, the Jason.
Take off.
Not yet, not yet. 149.
What are you
See the magenta arrow pointing at the speed? That's where you're going to rotate.
Well done.
Now tell them to rotate. Rotate.
Rotate, honey.
Now, Jason, just follow the flight director. So put that little black square in the pitch bar, which is that green line. So now just put the black square in the middle of those 2 green lines.
Do you know, honey?
Joe, put the gear up.
You're up where?
Yasmin, tell him how to put the
Wait,
gear
I
up.
don't hear the gear.
Go,
The
Yasmin.
gear, the landing
Put the
gear.
gear up.
Tell him how